Journalists and media have the power and the responsibility to fight disinformation, to uncover the truth, as well as to restore public's trust on the traditional sources of information. It is heartening to see that more and more media agencies are investing on fact-checking, on dedicating resources to counter false information or fake news online. Because what we feel from the ICRC is that it seems like in the digital sphere, the truth appears to be under siege because the wave of disinformation is sometimes simply overwhelming. So, therefore, ladies and gentlemen, at the end, what we would like to here focus is that disinformation is simply not just a threat to the truth. It is a threat to peace, stability, and the very lives of people who are caught in the chaos of conflict. The ICRC is committed to work with media, with governments, with tech companies, and with other partners to address the root causes of disinformation and to build a digital ecosystem where facts matter and where truth has a fighting chance.